Have you ever wondered what would happen if our home galaxy, the Milky Way, and its neighbor the Andromeda Galaxy, collided? A mind-boggling concept, isn't it? Galaxies, vast cosmic cities of stars, gas, and dark matter, are not static. They're constantly moving in the grand tapestry of the universe. Now, the Milky Way and Andromeda, two of the most well-known galaxies, are on a head-on collision course. This isn't a fender bender on the cosmic highway, we're talking about a collision on a truly astronomical scale. Picture billions upon billions of stars, their planets, and other celestial bodies, all caught up in this cosmic ballet. But don't let the sheer scale intimidate you. Hold on to your space helmets though, as we delve into the implications of this impending cosmic collision. But remember, as daunting as it may sound, this collision isn't something to lose sleep over just yet. The collision of two galaxies isn't as catastrophic as one might initially think. Yes, you heard that right, it's not an interstellar demolition derby, it's more like a cosmic ballet. Why, you ask? Well, it's all because of the sheer scale of space. Galaxies, like our Milky Way and the neighboring Andromeda, are mind-bogglingly vast. They're teeming with billions, even trillions of stars, but the space between these stars is so incredibly huge that actual collisions between celestial bodies are highly unlikely. So even if two galaxies are on a collision course, most of the stars within them will merely sail past each other. This doesn't mean that nothing happens though. In fact, the entire process is a fascinating spectacle. Even without physical collisions, the immense gravitational forces at play begin to pull and tug at the galaxies. Over billions of years, these forces gradually warp and reshape the galaxies, drawing them together in an intricate slow-motion dance. Now let's add another layer of complexity to this celestial ballet, the elusive dark matter. Dark matter, though invisible and mysterious, exerts gravitational forces just like ordinary matter. It forms a sort of cosmic scaffolding around which galaxies are built. And it's not just a bystander in this celestial dance. When galaxies collide, their dark matter halos interact too. This interaction can influence the outcome of the collision, often in ways we don't fully understand yet. Some theories suggest that dark matter could even help trigger the formation of new stars during a galactic merger, adding an extra sprinkle of starlight to the cosmic ballet. The dance of the galaxies is a testament to the power and beauty of gravity. It's a process of creation, not destruction. A slow, graceful merger that takes billions of years to unfold. It's a reminder of the grand scale and majesty of the universe we live in. So, instead of a violent crash, it's more of a slow dance to a new cosmic shape. The universe, it seems, prefers ballet over demolition derbies. So, what would the aftermath of this celestial dance look like, you might wonder? Well, let's take a cosmic leap into the future. We're talking billions of years from now. The dust and gas from the collision would eventually settle, and the merging galaxies would form a new, larger galaxy. The Milky Way and Andromeda, as we know them, would be no more. Instead, we'd have a brand new galaxy, a product of their cosmic dance. As the galaxies merge, our perspective of the night sky would change drastically. The familiar constellations we've grown to love would be replaced by entirely new patterns of stars. The night sky would be a sight to behold, with an enormous galaxy stretching across the heavens. Imagine gazing up into a night sky filled with the light from trillions of stars, a spectacle more dazzling than anything we can currently fathom. But the changes wouldn't stop there. The collision of these two galaxies could trigger a burst of new star formation. The gas clouds from both galaxies would collide and compress, creating a fertile environment for new stars to be born. This could lead to a renaissance of stellar birth in the resulting galaxy, a cosmic explosion of life, if you will. So, you see, the aftermath of this celestial event would be far from a cataclysmic end. Contrarily, it would be the beginning of something new, a rebirth. Stars, planets, perhaps even new life forms could emerge from this galactic fusion. The collision of the Milky Way and Andromeda galaxies is a breathtaking testament to the dynamic nature of our universe. It's a reminder that the cosmos is in a constant state of change, of growth, and of rebirth. While the collision of galaxies might seem like a destructive event, it's more of a testament to the ever-changing, dynamic nature of our universe. So as we look up at the night sky, let's appreciate its beauty, for it is a snapshot of a moment in time, a moment that is forever changing, just like the universe itself. The collision of the Milky Way and Andromeda is a fascinating topic, full of intrigue and wonder. Imagine galaxies, seemingly on a collision course, yet the process is more of a merger, given the vast distances between stars. This cosmic ballet could ignite a spectacular burst of star formation, painting a new face on the canvas of the universe. Remember, these cosmic events are on a timescale far beyond human comprehension, so there's no need to worry about the upcoming performance of our Milky Way and Andromeda's dance. It's just another page in the grand book of cosmic evolution.